everyone, I just want to share with you a journal that I made, and it's Dragonfly Dreams from ARTYmaze, and I will link ARTYmaze below in the description box. This will also be for sale in my shop. So it's a soft cover. It measures 7¼ by 5¼ It's a little bit of a rounded spine. It's one signature, 76 pages front and back. So I've decorated the front cover with some cardstock which has been stenciled, some scrap pieces of digital paper from ARTYmaze, and I think it's Nature Walk or Back to Nature, one of the two. This image is from the Dragonfly digital kit, and that's been sewn onto some coffee dyed paper. Then there is this butterfly which has been not glossy accented, it's been embossed, so it's nice and shiny. Some bling here, eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure. So let's go inside. The inside front cover has just been stenciled, and this is just obviously just the papers from the kit. I haven't used all the papers, but I just used the ones that I really liked. So we have here a pocket, and that's a Terri wood flip out pocket, and I've stuffed in there some large tags. There's still lots of shimmer going on on these tags, because the coffee water that I used to spray it was overloaded with shimmer, so it's really pretty. And I've stamped on there. We have "This book belongs to" tag from the kit, which has been sewn onto doubled over coffee dyed or tea dyed paper. We have this journal card which has been backed onto some white card, so it's nice and thick, and it's been sewn. And then there's just this little tag that you can do some journaling on. This opens up and flips out. Like I said, this is inspired by Terri Wood. Try and remember to link her channel below, because as I mention all the time, but people sometimes find it hard to find her channel. So I will link it, and you can check out all her different flips, and she does some amazing journals. A very talented lady, and she I don't know if she's got a playlist with all her like pocket flip out tutorials, but they are all on there. I think there's about 9 or 10. This is one of the postcards from the kit, and I cut 2 of them, obviously kept them together so that I could use them as like a little page. And then this was just one of the pages from the kit, and I decided to make a tag. Some edge punching, some digital ephemera book pages. I think these are French, and it's from the old design shop. Just a flip out page here that you can do some journaling on, and the page is shimmery and stenciled. We have just this ephemera here that you can journal on, and then a ticket from ARTYmaze's Dragonfly Dreams, and that's been backed onto cardstock as well, so it's nice and thick. Here we have it's just a, does it do anything else? No, it goes that way. Sorry, so it's a flip out, and it's also a tuck, and I just used some of the tickets from the kit. So I always forget to use the tickets or even print them out sometimes, but I printed the whole kit out. I think I printed the whole kit out, and I obviously used the tickets this time. So we got this large tag. If I'm talking a lot of nonsense, I've just had a really couple of stressful days. So we have an envelope from the kit, and on the back of this I actually gessoed it, so it just gives it a really nice feel when you use gesso. I've been using another journal card. Been using my own gesso for a while, but I ordered some from Amazon the other day, and oh boy, what a big difference. My other stuff, the stuff that I'd been making myself, was good, but the real stuff is even better. Lots of pages there to journal. Here we have a window envelope, and obviously it's pocket at the top, and inside there we have this tag, and then this tag. I need to set this up to put it back in, because my arms just aren't that long. So that pops in there. Then we have a stamped tag and a little tag to journal on. And we just have, this is decorated with one of the pages from the kit, ticket and a butterfly, another postcard, some more digital paper from the old design shop. Here we just have a double postcard, it's been coffee dyed, and another little flip out there. All my kits are now printed out on a laser, so if you wanted to, if they haven't been coffee or tea dyed, you can do it, but if you wanted them to be a little bit darker, you can carry on and do it. I would just suggest that you either dry it with a heat tool or let it dry naturally, because putting laser paper like in the oven, it kind of sticks to the other paper, and it can. Someone had said the other day that obviously when a laser printer prints, it kind of burns it into the paper, so therefore if you put it in the oven on like a high heat, it's gonna burn it even more. So that's only what I heard. I haven't actually seen my paper burn. So we've got another large tag. Oh, and this pocket again, this is another Terri Woods flip out pocket. And we have the large tag. I think I've sat a bit too far away from my table. Another tag there. Then we have this tag, a journaling card from the kits. It goes in there. And then a little baby tag there. And the paper clip just holds it closed. A doily graphene bag. This is just a Rita Donnelly flip up. And we have a large tag there. Another envelope with the gesso on the back. And my printer's just talking to me now. Another tag from the kit. A tag that I made. Journaling card from the kit. And a little tag. Doily ticket and a butterfly. Here we just have another double postcard with the dragonflies on there. And then another like trifold journal spot. And here, this is a flip out from Climmies Creations. Oops, there's lots in here. So this one, I done one the other day, and we had a tab on here. So I've just backed this onto cardstock, so it's nice because it kind of weighs it down a little bit. So that all opens out. It opens out like so. And then that tucks in there and folds down. So I'll do that again. And obviously you have the backs of all that. That's been stenciled there because that is what we see on the front here. So that's how I done that one. We have this journaling card, the envelope here. This has been gessoed, yes, and the journal card. And that goes in there. We have this Tiffany & Co tag, can kind of go anywhere. Large jumbo tag, and a tag from the kit which has been put onto double coffee dyed paper. That's nice and thick. And that is the last page. So that's the journal, another little chunky one. There's lots going on in here, but there is still so much journaling space, because when you think about, you know, even if you fully decorate a page like this, you've got the two tags in here, the tag there and here to actually write on or add small photographs, tuck even more things in behind there. So the decorated pages are still very, you know, their purpose is still for writing and stuffing things inside them. So, like I said, I will link ARTYmaze below, and Terri Woods, and link to my shop where this will be listed. And if you have any questions, just ask, and I'll speak to you all later. Bye.